Hello, in front of me I've got Jabra Evolve 65. In this video I'll show you how to activate and deactivate occupancy indicator. So this headphones got this special function, which is occupancy indicator. Thanks to this function, your coworkers can know that you are already and currently in call by the red LED light around the Jabra button. To disable this function, press and hold simultaneously those two buttons for 3 seconds. To enable it back, again press these buttons for 2 seconds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.